Hi guys, today, we're doing this Asian Barbie inspired makeup look. Step 1, Foundation. Just make sure to blend it out nice and even. Look at the difference. Then set everything with a powder. Our base makeup is quick, because our main focus is really on the eyes. Go with a mascara that blends well with your hair color. For the eyes, start with a soft, deep puffing shade as the base, bringing a little under the eyes as well. Layer a fine shimmer on top. Then add a chunkier glitter for extra sparkle. Using a small firm brush, apply the deepest brown to softly shape an eyeliner effect, starting from the middle of the lash line and pulling it outward. Curl the lashes, add a light coat of mascara, and apply fluffy, cat-like falsies. After placing them, curl again and fix the lower lashes so everything blends seamlessly. For more depth, darken the liner and draw a few lower lash clusters to keep the look natural. Use a deeper shadow on the under eye area, then brighten with a lighter shade to make the eyes look cleaner and more awake. For contour, deepen the nose lines and highlight with a bright powder. Focus on subtly deepening the nose lines to create more definition without making it look too harsh. Then add this brightening shimmer to the inner corners to open up the eyes. Brush it lightly along the bridge and tip of the nose. Next comes blush. This shade not only adds color but also gives a subtle contouring effect. For the lips, use a dual-ended tint for convenience, then finish with gloss for that glossy lip effect. And that's the finished look, dreamy, playful, and perfect for a music festival.